Here we've got XOLO Era for X, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So at first you have to open the browser that we are using, then tap on the More icon, which is 3 dots one in the right upper corner, and then select History. And here tap on Clear Browsing Data. And as you can see here, we've got some basic and advanced options. So under basic you will find browsing history, cookies and site data, and also cached images and files. And then under advanced you have some more, and these are saved passwords, out of info data, site settings, and also media licenses. So just mark those that you would like to delete. For example, if you would like to stay with your saved passwords, unmark it and they will not be deleted. But I would like to delete everything. And finally pick the time range right here, and for me that would be all time. And the last step is to tap on Clear Data and confirm by tapping on Clear. This is it. As you can see, you've just cleared browsing data on your device and there is no longer history here. You can create it from scratch. So this is it. That would be all. This is how you can smoothly, quickly and easily clear browsing data in your XOLO. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.